Hi guys, today we have Rewrite the Stars from The Greatest Showman. Very beautiful song. I think Zac Efron and Zendaya sung it very well. Beautiful composition. So without further ado, let's go to the fingering right there. As a disclaimer, number 1, 2, and 4, this is 4. So we're gonna have a low 1, low 2, regular 3, and low 4. So pretty much everything is low except number 3. 3 goes right on that tape right there. So again, low 1, low 2, regular 3, and low 4. Okay, so let's go for the first line on the A string. Oh, also I color coded all the fingering. So red is A string, light blue is D string, and then really purplish is E string. And I think that's all the string you have. Only 3 string, right? This one, this one, this one. All right, first line, low 1. Going to low 2 and then regular 3. You want to bridge that because we're gonna have low 1 to go into D low 1. So let me demonstrate that one more time. You don't have to put it down, but you just have to move it over. I don't want you to do this. That's a waste of time. So good fingering is less time you're gonna move your finger. That's the better fingering. All right. Again, bridge. All right, second line. Again, bridge. Let me play that one more time. That little comma at the right after D1 there, that's a little break. Okay, so let me play that without the interruption. Break. Okay, third line. So we're going from low 1, 2, 3. It'd be really good if you don't have to take these off. Okay. Okay, third line one more time. Okay, now let's go to the chorus. So it's low 1, low 2, low 1, and then the low 4 goes here, and then 3 goes here, and then low 1. Okay, and then low 4. So da ba bum ba 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 ba. Okay, got it. And then final line. Make sure you bridge the low ones on the A and E string. Okay, let me just play that in regular speed from chorus. Okay, got that. Let's go to the next page. Yeah, same thing pretty much. Okay, one more time. Again, bridged. and tonight. Okay, let me the good fingering and good left hand preparation is always preparing the next note. So if I'm doing this, my finger, pinky finger, is kind of reaching for it right there. I'm hovering. I like to call it hover. So, and then, did you see my third finger kind of going there? And then my first finger going there. And then my fourth finger going there. So you want to prepare the note, next note, while you play the one previous note. Okay? So let me play the first line of the second page in regular speed. Okay, got that. Moving on. Okay, so Zendaya's part. It's a little different. I wrote it out, so she does a lot of this cool embellishment. So we're going from you think it's easy. She does a you. And then, okay, let me go over that. So when you do this, low 1, low 2, 3, and then you want to keep all these fingers down so you can do that with ease. So, got it? Then moving on, low 2. Okay, let me play that in speed. So verse 2. Got that. So let's go to second line on the verse 2. Make sure you bridge that. So that might be tricky. So E low 2, E1, and then A3, 1. So don't take off the low 1 on the E string. Okay, one more time. Okay, got that? Let me play that in speed. Okay, moving on to the final line. Let me play that a little slower. So everything low except 3. Okay, one more time. Okay, moving on to chorus. It's pretty much the same, except certain spot. I'll go over it with you. So, you knew that. Same thing. This is where it gets tricky. Okay, so if you look at it right there, third position finger shape is 1, 2 together, and then 3 and 4 apart. So what I mean by that, you see this third tip here? You're gonna put number 1 there. You're gonna put number 2 there, very close. The little house sign. That means fingers are close. And then you're gonna put number 3 here, apart from the number 3. And then you're gonna put number 4 there, right there. Not right on the ridge there, a little above the ridge. So you got, these are the notes. So that's A, B flat, C, D. So make sure these are close. So put number 1 on the third tape, put number 3 right next to the third tape, put number 3 right above the fourth tape, and then fourth tape, fourth finger, a little apart from the third tape. Got that? That's the third position schematic. So whenever you see a third position or just third marking, you're gonna do that, okay? So let me play the chorus one more time. You're gonna shift like that. Got it? Back to first position. So low 1 to low 4. And that was kind of, so let me do that again. 3, 2, 1. And then it's not up to you. It's not up to me. And then third line. Again, when I do 4, 3, 2, I'm already kind of shape the 4, 3, 2 there. Okay, so that's the end of the Zenda's part. Now, the bridge, when they start to harmonize, it gets a little tricky. I'm gonna go over the Zac Efron's part first, because that's the main melody, and Zendaya is the harmony. So, all I wanted to fly with you. All I wanted to fall with you. Okay, and just give me all of you. And then he kind of slides there. One more time. And then you want to go to third position, same schematic, and she goes, it feels impossible, something like that. Okay, so, and then Zac goes, and then she goes. Okay, moving on. I'll go over the harmony later. And then the Zac goes. So, okay, got it. Now back to the chorus, familiar tune. Okay, that's pretty much the same as the his chorus, the first chorus when he first sings it. So let's go over back to the bridge and go over the Zendaya's harmony there. So Zac goes. If you have a buddy, grab that buddy and then tell her to play or him to play low 4 on the E string. So then 3, 4, 1. So the final line of the bridge. You're gonna go to third position. Okay, you're gonna go. So 2, 3, 1, 2. And then she goes. And then she goes. and then they together go so 2 2 2 3 4 4, and then it's 4 2 4 3 2 1. When you want to shift, when you shift from first to third, if you have the wrist straight, when the wrist the palm of the wrist kind of hits the violin there, that usually ends up in the third position. So that's a trick that you can use. And then so 2 2 3 1. And then she kind of doubles the octaves there. Let me do that again. That was a second line there. So moving on to 2 2 2 4. 'Cause you are the one. So a little out of tune there. Okay, one more time. Again, if you don't have a buddy and you want to just play by yourself, you're not going to play the higher part. Okay, so that's just divisi. Divisi means separate part by two players. Okay, so going on to the third line. Okay, so going to third line. Third position. Make that nice 1 2 3 4 shape. Then fourth line. So after the rewrite the stars on the fourth line, we're gonna have a high 4. So we're gonna have 1 2 3 4, right? So that's the 4, and we're gonna high 4. So this is D. We're gonna go to E flat. So regular 4, high 4. It's really small increment, but that does change the note. Half step up. So let me play from the fourth line. Stretch out for the high 4, and then high 4, regular 4, 3. So that's how you play the harmony part. Okay, and then she says something very sad to him at the end. Bridget. It's kind of sad, right? I don't know if they end up together. I didn't watch the movie. Let me play it one more time. Alright, so that's Rewrite the Stars. That took a while to write that out. And then some of the music I found in online, there are some kind of mistakes here and there. So I want to really get it perfect for you guys. So there you go. I'll have the sheet music screenshot at the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and until next time.